In this video, we listed the 6 best ninja gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Wallet Ninja 2.0. The Wallet Ninja 2.0 is an advanced 20-in-1 multi-tool designed for everyday convenience, perfect for those who value practicality and compact tools. This upgraded version includes a mirror and nail file, adding to its versatile functionality. Available in black, this sleek multi-tool easily fits into a wallet or pocket, making it highly portable and accessible when needed. With its wide range of tools, including screwdrivers, bottle openers, hex wrenches, and now personal grooming features like the nail file, the Wallet Ninja 2.0 is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, handymen, and everyday use. Its sturdy design and minimalist aesthetic complement its high functionality, making it a useful tool for people who appreciate multitasking gadgets such as pocket knives or mini hand planers for woodworking. Similar to other compact and portable tools the user is interested in, like the small pocket knife for men or the sport near compass, the Wallet Ninja 2.0 focuses on offering multiple solutions in a single, easy-to-carry device. Product 2. Product name, Dragon Ninja Weapon Set. The Dragon Ninja Weapon Set is a themed accessory kit designed to evoke the iconic imagery of ninjas, often featuring various weapons like katanas, nunchucks, throwing stars, and other traditional tools associated with ninja lore. These sets are typically aimed at children or cosplay enthusiasts who want to immerse themselves in the fantasy of being a ninja warrior. The weapons are usually made of plastic or foam, ensuring safety during play or costume use. Given the context of the user's previous interests, which range from kitchen tools, outdoor gear, and gadgets, the Dragon Ninja Weapon Set might appeal to someone looking for unique themed toys, accessories for cosplay, or a gift set for kids interested in martial arts, much like their prior interest in colorful decorations for bikes and police sirens for kids' bicycles. This weapon set aligns with the adventurous and imaginative spirit seen in earlier interests. Product 3. Product name, Thankstom's LED Flashlight Gloves. The Thankstom's LED flashlight gloves are a unique and practical gadget designed for hands-free illumination, making them an ideal gift for men who enjoy activities like repairing, fishing, camping, and other outdoor or hands-on tasks. These gloves feature LED lights on the thumb and index finger, providing targeted lighting to help with detailed work in dark or low-light environments. Given the user's interest in practical tools, such as the razor blade scraper tool, mini wood planer, and high-performance gear like the 2200W electric chainsaw, these gloves could be a complementary tool, enhancing efficiency and convenience for projects. The LED flashlight gloves would also suit users interested in outdoor gear, aligning with items like the Grail GeoPress water purifier bottle and the Sportneer compass. Additionally, these gloves make for a thoughtful gift for occasions like Father's Day, birthdays, or holidays. The gloves are lightweight and comfortable to wear, featuring an adjustable wrist strap to fit different hand sizes. This makes them versatile for various tasks, from household repairs to outdoor adventures. Overall, the Thankstom's LED flashlight gloves are a cool and innovative tool that aligns with the user's interest in practical, hands-on gadgets and tools for various purposes. Product 4. Product name, Talkies Watch. The Talkies Watch is an exciting gadget designed for kids aged 8 to 12, combining multiple functionalities into a single wrist-worn device. Marketed as a spy watch army toy, it serves as a 7-in-1 digital watch with features that make it ideal for outdoor adventures, imaginative play, or spy games. The watch incorporates a two-way long-range transceiver, enabling kids to communicate with each other via walkie-talkie functionality, making it perfect for group play and exploration. In addition to being a watch and walkie-talkie, it also includes a flashlight, adding an extra layer of practicality and excitement, especially for nighttime adventures. With a design that appeals to both boys and girls, this spy gadget is durable and easy to use, providing a fun, tech-enhanced play experience for young users. It's a cool spy gadget that encourages outdoor activities and fosters creativity, making it a popular choice for kids who enjoy adventure games, role-playing, or simply communicating with friends in a fun way. Product 5. Product name SpyX Secret Voice Changer. The SpyX Secret Voice Changer is a voice synthesizer toy designed for kids, allowing them to disguise their voice in real time, enhancing the fun of secret agent or ninja role-playing. Marketed as a junior secret agent gadget, it features a multi-voice amplifier that can modify the user's voice into different styles, adding a playful element to imaginative spy adventures. Ideal for both boys and girls, this toy appeals to children's sense of intrigue and adventure, similar to the way other items, such as colorful decorations clips for kids' bike or bicycle police siren with 4 sounds melody, engage them in creative play. The SpyX voice changer enhances roleplay by adding a layer of realism to their secret missions. Whether used for ninja stealth or junior espionage, it taps into kids' natural curiosity and love for gadgets, making it a popular choice in the realm of pretend play. Product 6. Product name Housebell Listening Device. The Housebell Listening Device is an advanced parabolic microphone designed for nature observation and scientific exploration. It is marketed as a bionic ear electronic listening device, allowing users to capture distant sounds with high clarity. This tool is ideal for bird watching, wildlife observation, and other outdoor activities where enhanced auditory detection is beneficial. The device comes equipped with headphones, ensuring an immersive listening experience. Its parabolic microphone design allows it to focus on sounds from a specific direction while minimizing background noise, making it suitable for use in scientific explorations or casual nature observing. It serves as a reliable tool for those interested in amplifying their auditory reach in outdoor settings, offering functionality in both professional and hobbyist contexts. This product aligns with interests in specialized outdoor equipment, much like the Sportneer Compass Hiking Compass and the Grail GeoPress Water Purifier Bottle, which are also designed for outdoor adventurers and explorers seeking practical and portable solutions for wilderness activities.